Hi all, we are launching a blogging course for beginners in Digital Badi. Earlier we did this as a workshop for 2 days, but same blogging course we are going to deliver it in 2 days. If you want to become a professional blogger, or if you want to become a blogger, okay, where you can start it can be like a travel blog, or it can be entertainment blog, or it can be like education blog. If you want to start a blog professionally, and if you want to monetize that blog, then this is the course that you have to join. So you check for the complete curriculum of this course, and check the previous student reviews as well. You can watch previous student reviews. We will be having every month one batch on blogging course. Okay, join in this batch and learn blogging professionally. You are going to learn the skills which will help you to become professional blogger in short span. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next blogging course batch.